Hello students, the topic of the essay is a visit to a hospital. I visited a hospital for the first time yesterday. I went to meet my friend Nikhil, who fell ill last week. He was admitted to the railway hospital. I went with my mother to see him. The hospital was large. At the information counter, we found out that Nikhil was in a ward on the first floor. So we went up. On the way, we saw the patients in the wards. Most of them were sleeping. I saw one patient crying out in pain. There was a nurse near his bed taking his temperature. A doctor was going around the beds, inquiring after each patient's health and condition. Nikhil looked weak but was much better. We spoke about school and games. Nikhil was anxious to get well soon. He was happy that we had come. We wished him a speed recovery and left. I came away hoping that I would never have to be admitted to a hospital.
Don't forget to subscribe.